Hi, I'm Roy Crypto, and today we're going to be talking about Solana. Let's go. Alright, so what we're looking at here is we're looking at the monthly chart of Solana, the UST, and what can we see? We can see that in the month of March, our current resistance line is set at $24, and our support is at $19.27. And you may say, why is that our support and resistance levels? On the monthly chart, if we look left, that was the opening and closing candle in the previous month. Okay, you can see that. All right, and then we look at our support levels. We can see we're going with $19.27, because if we go left, that was the last time that we broke support in the past. All right, so we're calling that our major support level. All right, now it's time for the MACD. Alright, so looking at the MACD here on this particular chart, we don't have much info on the monthly chart. Let's go down to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we can see that we are still battling with that resistance line that we set at $24, and it looks like we are coming down to touch that $19.27 sometime, maybe this week, or depending on what happens with the market. But it looks like it's highly likely. Alright, so on the MACD, we can see that we have the blue over the orange, indicating that, hey, the prices should come upwards. However, when we look at the colors on our histogram, we can see that the green is turning to light green, indicating that, hey, the trend is shifting. All right, now it's time for the indicators. All right, so looking at the particular indicators here, what I have is we have the stochastic RSI, the RSI, and MFI. So looking at this particular candle here on the weekly chart, we do have a cross here. We have the orange over the blue, indicating that, hey, the trend is still going downwards. The reason I say that, when I look at this particular chart here, it looks like a bouncing ball. You look at the mouse, what I'm having right here, we just go bounce, we bounce, and we bounce. Now it looks like we're gonna bounce again. And looking at the stochastic RSI, it looks like it's gonna come down this way, okay? So that's what I'm thinking on Solana. So what is my overall opinion on Solana? So looking at the particular chart, I'm gonna go back to, let me go to the 2 week. On a 2 week chart, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for price to come back down to this range. I'm looking at that $14 range, okay? In the short term or sometime this year, it should come back and touch this $14, okay? I'm Rare Crypto, thanks for tuning in. Let's go.
We're crypto for the people. We're crypto for the people.